How to cancel your Hotstar membership. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can cancel your Hotstar membership. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to cancel your Hotstar membership, first of all, sign into your Hotstar account from the official website. I'll also make sure to drop a link in the description box and then click on your profile icon from the top right. Once you go there, just select the option called My Account. Once you go to My Account page, just select the link called Cancel Membership in this page. As you can see, Disney Plus Hotstar Premium. So just go ahead and tap on the option that says Cancel Membership. As you do that, it'll ask you for a confirmation that do you really want to cancel your membership. So cancellation will be effective at the end of your current billing cycle, so you can restart your membership anytime. So just go ahead and then choose the option called Confirm Cancellation from the bottom right over here, and once you do so, you'll have successfully confirmed the cancellation of your Disney Plus Hotstar membership. That's all it takes to go ahead and cancel your Disney Plus or your Hotstar membership. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.